So after assembling the ladder, your deck ladder, then you line up to get your deck ladder straight. Put your stubs into the joists of the deck. Now remembering that the screw hole is off center. So once you get your screws in, these can, before you do your screws up, you can twist them to make it tighter, so this is a nice firm fit. Then slide your ladder on and you'll see that you have 2 pre-drilled screw holes in the actual ladder. Grab your drill with your drill bit that's supplied with your kit. Drill through halfway. And again on the other side. After drilling, caps on. Then insert the screws supplied in the kit, one in either side. Now if the stubs have been adjusted correctly and your screws are in, the ladder is a lot more solid.